Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am excited for today's video because we are diving into another helpful comparison, one that a lot of you have been asking about. We are talking about Stan's Store versus Skool. Both platforms are awesome, but they are built with very different goals in mind. So depending on what you are trying to build and where you are in your journey, one might be a much better fit for you than the other. Let's start with Stan's Store. Stan's Store is designed mainly for creators, influencers, coaches, and entrepreneurs who want to sell digital products, coaching calls, memberships, templates, and more. It is all about making it super easy to start selling online. You do not have to deal with complicated tech setups, or buying domains, or designing websites. Everything is streamlined. You simply upload your product, set your prices, and you are ready to start making sales right away. It is a fast, simple, and extremely effective solution, especially if you are someone who is focused on building a personal brand and wants to monetize quickly without a bunch of tech headaches. One of the best parts about Stan's Store is that it is optimized for mobile and social media. It is perfect if you are building an audience on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, where you want to send people to a clean, easy-to-use storefront. You can offer ebooks, courses, one-on-one calls, group programs, whatever you want, and everything looks professional without you needing to be a tech expert. Now, Skool, on the other hand, is built a little differently. Skool is much more about creating community and running learning programs. It combines course hosting, coaching programs, and community discussions all into one simple platform. If you are thinking about building a private membership group where your students not only take your courses, but also interact with each other on discussion boards and live calls, Skool is a fantastic choice. What stands out about Skool is how much it focuses on engagement. Instead of just delivering content, Skool encourages people to participate, ask questions, share wins, and build real connections inside your program. It is not just about consuming information. It is about being part of a community. That makes it an amazing platform. If you are planning to coach people, run masterminds, or create a learning environment where support and accountability are important. When it comes to pricing and simplicity, Stan's Store usually wins for creators who want to get up and running fast. If your main goal is just to start making money quickly, selling products or services online, Stan's Store is the ultimate plug-and-play option. You can set up your storefront in minutes. Start collecting payments and keep everything super simple without feeling overwhelmed by too many features. But if you are thinking more long-term, if you are building a brand around education, if you want people to not only learn from you, but also feel connected to you and each other, then Skool becomes a really strong choice. It is a little more involved to set up, and it is definitely focused more on engagement rather than just selling products. But if you invest the time, it can pay off massively by building a loyal community around your brand. So if your goal is to sell digital products, coaching sessions, ebooks, templates, or memberships quickly and easily without getting stuck in the tech side of things, then Stan's Store is probably going to be the perfect fit for you. But if you are dreaming about creating a private community, hosting live coaching calls, running group programs, and building a deeper long-term relationship with your students, then Skool could be the tool that brings that vision to life. At the end of the day, it all comes down to what you want to build. Both Stan's Store and Skool are amazing in their own ways. They just serve different types of creators and business models. Think about your goals, your audience, and how you want your brand to grow over the next 6 months to a year. And the right choice will become really clear if you're ready to start your own Stan's Store and take the first step towards building your online business. You can sign up using the link in the description below